Our plumbing technicians are very experienced. We've basically seen just about everything that the service industry can throw at us. Our plumbers are equipped and ready to do everything from tap replacement and installation, toilets, tub renovations, water heater replacements, hose bib installations, irrigation, just everything, the whole gamut. In every aspect, you get the entire backing of the Fox & Sons team here. There's not going to be floods. You're not going to get water damage. It's going to get done right the first time.